I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic power and connection. Put both AirPods in the case for at least 10 minutes to charge, then open near your device. Once done, check Bluetooth settings and forget the AirPods if they appear. This clears stale pair data. Visually inspect the non-working bud for earwax or lint and gently brush the mesh. Debris can block sound. These quick steps rule out the most common causes before deeper fixes. Now you move into reset and diagnostics. Place both AirPods in the charging case, then press and hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. This forces a factory reset and can fix firmware hiccups. Next, test mono audio by using one bud at a time and try pairing with another device to isolate phone versus AirPod issues. Finally, check firmware version on your iPhone and run Apple Diagnostics if the problem persists. Finish with advanced fixes and a final troubleshooting tip. You should gently clean the charging contacts on both the AirPod and case with a dry cotton swab so the pins make good contact. Poor charging can mute one side. Make sure your device's audio balance and accessibility settings aren't shifting sound to one channel. If one bud still fails after resets, cleaning, and tests on multiple devices, contact Apple support or an authorized repair. Hardware faults require professional service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.